Before everything, there was nothing. No time, no space, no matter. Imagine a silence so deep it has no end. A darkness so complete it has no edges. This was the void, a place before time itself. No clocks, no years, no yesterday or tomorrow, just endless nothingness. The laws of physics did not exist. There was no up or down, no left or right. It was a blank canvas, waiting for the first stroke of creation. In this eternal quiet, there was no space to measure, no points to travel between. We are creatures of space and time, so a reality without either is almost impossible to grasp. But this is where our story begins, in a place where the rules of existence had not yet been written. All the energy, all the matter, all the light from a trillion stars, everything was contained in a single point of unimaginable density. This point was smaller than an atom, a seed holding everything that would ever be. It was a precarious state, a moment of cosmic suspense. The silence was about to be broken. We stand at the precipice of existence, the stage set for the greatest story ever told. All the complexity and wonder of our cosmos was held within this infinitesimal point. The universe was holding its breath, ready to explode into being. The great silence was about to end. The symphony of creation was poised to play its first, thunderous note. In that moment, the universe awaited its birth. The story of everything was about to begin. The void would soon give way to light, energy, and time. The first act of the cosmos was about to unfold. Then, it happened. The universe was born. This was not an explosion in space, but the explosion of space itself, inflation. In a fraction of a second, the universe expanded faster than the speed of light, growing from smaller than an atom to larger than a galaxy. The fundamental forces of nature, gravity, electromagnetism, and the nuclear forces, were born and began to separate. The rules of the universe were being written in this first fiery moment. The energy of inflation filled space with a hot, dense soup of fundamental particles, quarks, electrons, and photons. The universe was a blindingly bright, chaotic fog of pure energy. This period of inflation was incredibly brief, but it made the universe vast and uniform. It smoothed out the wrinkles in space-time, setting the stage for everything to come. The universe was no longer a single point, but a vast, expanding, searingly hot cosmos. The raw ingredients for stars, galaxies, and life were now scattered across space. The great cosmic journey had truly begun. From perfect stillness, chaos and creation erupted. The universe was alive, growing at a speed we can barely comprehend. In that instant, the foundation for all that exists was laid. The story of the cosmos was underway. After inflation, the universe expanded and cooled. For 380,000 years, it was filled with a hot, opaque fog, a plasma of hydrogen, helium, electrons, and photons. Light could not travel freely. Photons were trapped, scattered by free electrons. There were no stars, no galaxies, no sky, just a uniform, impenetrable wall of light. This was the cosmic dark ages, a time when the universe was hidden from view. The building blocks for atoms were present, but too hot to come together. The universe was a sea of charged particles, a chaotic plasma. Gravity worked slowly, pulling matter together in denser regions. As the universe expanded, it cooled. Eventually, the temperature dropped enough for electrons to be captured by hydrogen and helium nuclei. This event, called recombination, allowed stable neutral atoms to form. Suddenly, the fog cleared. Photons were no longer scattered. They were free to travel across the cosmos. For the first time, the universe became transparent. Light was finally free, and the universe was ready for the next chapter. The darkness was about to end. With the universe now transparent, ancient light, the cosmic microwave background, was set free. But after this, the universe entered a new darkness. No stars, no galaxies, just vast clouds of hydrogen and helium. Tiny variations in density, left over from inflation, meant some regions had more matter. Gravity began to pull these atoms together, forming denser and denser clouds. Over millions of years, these clouds collapsed under their own weight. At their centers, pressure and temperature soared. Eventually, nuclear fusion ignited. Hydrogen fused into helium, releasing energy. The first stars were born, flooding the universe with light for the first time since the Big Bang. These stars were giants, massive, bright, and short-lived. Their light ended the cosmic dark ages forever. They began creating heavier elements in their cores. Drawn together by gravity, these first stars formed the earliest galaxies. The universe was no longer dark and empty. Light and structure began to fill the cosmos. The next era of creation had begun. Generations of stars lived and died, forging heavy elements in their cores. Supernovae scattered these elements, carbon, oxygen, iron, across the cosmos. This enriched dust and gas formed new clouds, birthing new stars and planets. Our sun was born from such a cloud about 4.6 billion years ago. In a quiet corner of the Milky Way, a spinning cloud of gas and dust collapsed. Most material formed the sun. The rest became a spinning protoplanetary disk. Within this disk, dust grains stuck together, growing into planetesimals. Through countless collisions, these bodies grew larger, sweeping up material and carving out orbits. In the inner disk, rocky planets formed: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. The young Earth was a hot, chaotic world, bombarded by asteroids and comets. A massive collision likely formed our moon. As Earth cooled, a crust formed and water gathered, setting the stage for life. On this small, rocky world, something extraordinary happened. Life began. Simple chemical reactions gave rise to the first self-replicating molecules. Over billions of years, life evolved from single cells to the vast diversity we see today. Life transformed Earth, creating an oxygen-rich atmosphere and turning a barren rock into a living world. From space, Earth is a fragile blue dot, a tiny island in the cosmic ocean. Every human story, every joy and sorrow, has played out on this pale blue dot. It is our only home, a precious, fragile world. This perspective is humbling, reminding us to protect our planet and cherish one another. Our national borders are invisible from space. Our quarrels seem petty. We are all passengers on this small spacecraft called Earth, traveling together through the universe. Our survival depends on understanding our place in the cosmos and working together. We are, in the end, a way for the universe to know itself. Today, we look up and see a universe filled with billions of galaxies. The expansion that began with the Big Bang continues. Space itself is stretching. The universe grows larger with every passing moment. What is its fate? Will it expand forever into a cold, empty void, the big freeze? Or will it collapse in a big crunch, or be torn apart by dark energy in a big rip? We do not yet know. Our quest for knowledge is endless. We build telescopes, launch probes, and study the laws of physics to understand reality. Every discovery brings new questions. The more we learn, the more we realize how much remains unknown. Our journey began in nothingness and led to this moment where we can look up and wonder. We are the children of the cosmos, destined to keep exploring and marveling at its beauty.